Well, we're under another tornado watch, and it's coming straight down a road that's pretty close to us, and they say it's about 2 miles wide, and it's raining and sun shining, and we got some wind blowing. So hopefully we don't get anything, but I don't know. Kind of unnerves me a little bit considering what we went through in 2019, which I've mentioned before. And I'll keep y'all posted, or I'll at least let you know after it passes. They say it's as bad as the last one we had. That it hasn't been a bad one like this for us since 2019. So hopefully everything's going to be okay.